Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our our daily analysis. It's actually Tuesday, and we have nothing. We don't actually have any economic news today. Why? Actually, most economic news they start from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So tomorrow we have CPI, and the market is not actually moving that crazy. And I think it's because of that. Tomorrow, the market, it will be just going up and down. So today, I'm expecting the market to just consolidate. On Thursday, we have like interest rates for GBP. And later that day also, but it's during the day, I think it's unemployment claim and core PPI. That is also one of the economic news that we need to check. On Friday, I don't really see anything which is very, very important. So for that, actually, yes, I will just maybe check something on CNBC. I don't really see much of stuff here. But obviously, we will see what will happen actually after, maybe after one or two. There are 5 things to know before the market. They're going to actually take them out a few hours, maybe a few minutes before the market actually opens. By the way, it's fine. We can just go straight to our analysis. As we actually start with EURUSD, I will just go straight to that. Actually, this is supposed to be a quick analysis. Whoa, this actually can be a very nice signal. Do you see that? The market is actually on a very nice area. So this actually video is going to be as quick as possible. Hey, we have stage 6. Load shedding, guys. Load shedding, actually it's blackout. I don't know if maybe in different countries they call it in a different way. But it's blackouts, guys. They cut electricity for like serious hours, like 4 hours straight. Then we get the power like now, in 2 hours later or 3 hours later, like around 2, they're going to cut the power off again. And if you still remember, yesterday we were on live and we experienced that. So what's really happening on EURUSD? We are actually on a very nice area, which we can call what? A support area. I'm expecting the market to push up around that. So around this area, actually, I'm supposed to have that signal ready. The market is supposed to give us that signal around this area. Let's see. I think this can be a very nice signal. So I will just make sure that I finish this video so that I can send this signal. So you can easily see that if you did check my previous analysis, we had this as a support area for quite some time now, and the market is playing around that. So yes, there is a chance for the market to break, but it seems like the market is respecting this area. We might see a very nice push to the upside, which is actually a good thing, because we might have some very nice trades there. We might have a very nice buy, you see. So let's push to the next one as we're trying to be as quick as possible. So what's really happening on USDJPY? The market is actually, let me just use 2 hours time frame. These candlesticks, they can be like bit smaller on 1 hour. So yeah, so what's really happening on USDJPY? USDJPY is also on a very nice uptrend. I like this type of uptrend because it's not like that crazy uptrend. It's very nice. It's not that crazy steep. So but you can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside. Where we are now, actually, if you missed the market, if you missed that buy here, obviously where we are, we have a structure where we can just call it a ranging or consolidation. The market is actually consolidating. So for us to continue buying on a structure like that, we just have to wait. Let me just reduce this. We just have to wait for the market to do what? To break this area. The market has to break this area before we have another buy. Why do we think about a buy? Because we are actually on an uptrend. So when the market is actually uptrending, we think about buying only. We don't actually have to think about selling. So above that area, if the market breaks that ranging structure or that resistance, yes, we're going to jump on that as a buy. You see, this area is the one that is actually keeping the market from breaking. If it breaks, obviously we're going to jump on that. Or maybe the market might push lower, come back, maybe it might come back around this support area before we see another push to the upside. Yes, remember, before the news, the market mostly will just consolidate. I'm expecting this consolidation to happen until tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow there's CPI, which I was talking about it. So I'm not expecting much actually from the market today. You see, I'm not expecting much. So yesterday, actually, we took a loss on NASDAQ, but US30, it was moving very nice. So now we are actually on US oil. Let's try this on 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually still on that downtrend. The market has been actually showing us that I'm pushing to the lower side, and where we are now, the market is actually creating a very nice structure. This is a counter trend line, which means the market can break this area anytime because this is not like the outer resistance, which is quite strong. So here it shows us that yes, the market is still respecting that. So since we drawn that resistance, we see that the market is bouncing back. So we can easily see that even now it seems like the market is respecting that. So which is good, and also it means we might see a very nice sell, or we might have a very nice sell from that area, as it seems like the market is going to respect that. And the reason for us to say we need to sell is because we are still on a downtrend. The market is still pushing to the lower side. You see, I hope you see that. I hope you see that. If maybe you want to learn about trend trading strategies, check my membership channel here on YouTube. You will find some courses. On your own time, you can just watch the videos and learn so much stuff, guys. Entries, trends, lines, everything, breakout, you see. So now we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? We are actually on a 4 hours time frame. Gold is pushing to the upside, guys. Gold is pushing to the upside, and what I like is the market never tried even to break this area. Where we are now, the market created a structure and it bounced, like the market went up during the news. I think it was FOMC. The market pushed up. You can see the market pushed up, came back for a retest, and again, then the market, it's expected to push the upside. For now, yes, there is a chance for the market to just play around this area, as we're expecting some very serious news tomorrow. So I'm not expecting some crazy moves. So we don't know if maybe tomorrow the market will keep pushing up or will keep pushing down. We will wait for the figures to be released than guessing. We will wait for the figures to be released. So let's push to US30. Actually, on US30, we actually had a very nice sell yesterday, even though the market is not actually moving that crazy. You can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. On top here, you can see that we actually have a very nice resistance where the market actually respected for quite some time, and I've been repeating about this structure. So what we see is the market touched that area. It's now trying to push to the lower side. If we go closer there, you can easily see that yes, the market is actually doing what? The market is trying to play around this game. At the end of the day, we might end up getting confused, but it seems like the market is respecting this area, and now we see the market trying to push lower. If it keeps pushing lower, we will be expecting the market to reach this area around 32,800. Yeah, 32,300, something like that, around this area. 32,300. 33,000 actually. So around that area, and also here you can see it's a resistance. So the market might be playing games like that. The market can still push lower and just try to do something like this until we see maybe the market pushing up or down. We don't actually know what will the market do, but what we know is yes, we are actually on a downtrend, even though the market sometimes acts like it wants to push the upside. But with US30, we know very well that there are bank crises. There's bank crisis in the US. Some banks are like seriously bleeding and losing some serious cash. So that's why we see US30 pushing to the lower side. Yes, we still had that sell. So and what I like is the market did not actually bounce back and try maybe to take us out like NASDAQ. NASDAQ actually took us out yesterday, but that is part of the game. As long as maybe you stick to your stop loss, that is something that happens in the market. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? Okay, I need to delete that. If not, it's fine. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? Well, on a 4 hours time frame, I think you can easily see that yes, we are actually on a very nice uptrend, and the market is doing what? The market is actually on our resistance area. What happens on the resistance area? Most of the time, the market bounces back. The market will do something like that. You can see even here, even though the market was pushing up, we saw the market pushing lower, but now the market is pushing up again. Even here, we saw that the market reached the resistance and pushed lower. Even here, the market can still push lower. Even though yesterday we sold here, our stop loss unfortunately was not that far, and we were not supposed to actually put it far, because even if we did, you were going to see that there was a candlestick which went above that. So it means our stop loss was going to be touched. So what I see here is, let me remove that. We bought here, you see the market went lower, but it's higher. It seems like the market wants to bounce back again. So around this area, it might be something, but I see that now that actually the market is just playing around that area, because yesterday it was here, it went up, and now it's back again around the quite same area, not that far. So you can see that the market is actually playing around the same zone, which means this area actually is because of the news that we're going to have tomorrow. There is no enough liquidity, which means the market is not actually, there's few people trading because everyone is waiting for the inflation, where the inflation is going, whether it's going up or down. We need to know that, and if it's going down, that is a good thing. We will see the market pushing to the upside. If it's still pushing higher, we will see NASDAQ pushing lower. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you still want the system, guys. If you still want the system, it's $50. And if you want to be part of the team, you can see on the screen, you can just WhatsApp me and let me know. There's a link of my WhatsApp, and let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can see lifetime is $250, 12 months, $150, and you start to get this nice, actually great signals in the group. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.